Yes, today we are going to discuss about what two-dimensional array, and you people are familiar with what array definition, like what is mean by array. You can say like it is a collection of homogeneous elements. Homogeneous means which has same name followed by what, same data type. So now what is mean by two-dimensional array? It is same as array and it is one of the type of what, an array. Two-dimensional array is an array that can be accessed by using what, two subscript. Okay, that can be accessed by what, two subscript. Here we are using what, two subscript, one for row and one for column. Now what is the general form or what is the syntax for two-dimensional array? That is what, your data type, array name, row size and column size followed by what, semicolon. So this is the general form or syntax for what, two-dimensional array. Okay, if it is normal array or one-dimensional array, we have only the size. We have only one subscript, that is size. But in two-dimensional array, you can access any data items or you can access any items by using what, two subscript. Okay, here we are using two subscript. This is for row and this is for what, column. Okay, any array followed by two indices or two subscript we are calling as what, two-dimensional array. Example, data type I am going to take int, array name I am taking as A, and size you specify like 3, 4. See, this is two-dimensional array. 3, this is row size. 4, this is your column size. Suppose if I have int A of 5. Okay, see, this is what your normal array or one-dimensional array. One-dimensional array both are same, which can be accessed by using what, only one subscript, means only one size will be considered. If it is two-dimensional array, you are accessing with the help of what, two subscript, or two subscript, that is one for row and one for what, column. This is what your two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array is an array that can be accessed by using what, two subscript. So what is the formula or syntax or general form of two-dimensional is, this is very important. Data type followed by array name, row size, column size, ends with what, semicolon, and it's compulsory you have to use what, square brackets. And example here I have taken data type, that is int, array name A, 3, 4. This is for row and this is for what, column. Now, how many types of or how we are going to follow the methods in two-dimensional array? There are two methods. One is what, row major order, and second one is what, column major order. Row and column major order. See, in this both the methods, all the data items or all the elements that will be arranged sequential order one after the another. Okay, all the data items that is arranged one after the another. So with the help of this, you are going to find what, a memory address. Okay, for each and every item memory address you have to find out. See, before identifying memory address, first we have to discuss how the elements that will be arranged in an array. Like you just consider, I am going to take some matrix. Okay, I am going to take an example as what, matrix. Any element you can take, like 2, -1, 3, 0, 4, 6, 7, 5 and again 1. Okay, this is your matrix. Okay, this is your matrix. So here Okay, this is the matrix. So now what you have to do, consider this is row and this is column. Row and column, and the order of matrix is what? 3 cross 3. What is the order of matrix? We have total 9 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the order of matrix is what? 3 cross 3. So here the first, what is the first you have represented? This is your row size. This is what your row size, that is 3. And whatever the second one you are having, this is your column. This is your column size. Suppose I have taken 2 cross 3. This is row size, this is column size. Suppose I have taken 2 cross 2. Row size, column size. Suppose I have taken 3 cross 5. First one is what? Row size, and second one is what? Column size. Like this you are going to represent. See here, I have taken one matrix of order what? 3 cross 3. This is row size and this is what? Column size, row and column. So now, first you consider row major order. Okay, row major order. In row major order, how the elements will be arranged. We will discuss how an elements will be arranged in a memory. Okay, consider this is an array. Consider this is an array. Okay, see, position we have to give. This is what? 0, 1, 2. This is 0, 1, 2. This is row. First we consider what? Row. How we are going to store these elements in a memory address. Okay, so what is my name of an array? I am going to take the name of an array is what? A only. Now we'll insert an element. See here. Which is the first element? 2. And the second one is what? -1. And third one is what? A row means you have to consider like that. Next one we are having what? 0. Next we have 4. Next we have 6. Next we are having which element? 7. Next that is 5. Next we have what? 1. Okay, see, this is what your row major order. Okay, so here I have taken name of an array is what? A, and I have inserted elements 2, -1, 3, 0, 4, 6, 7, 5, 1. You have to consider like that. So now you have to give a memory location, that is what? A of 0, 0. This is 0, 0. Next, A of -1, it is present in 0 and 1. This is 0 and 1. Next, A of 0, 2. In 0, 2, we have an element 3. Next, A of 1, 0. 1, 0. A of 1, 1. Next, A of 1, 2. Just you are giving the memory address, that's it. 2, 0. A of 2, 1. A of 2, 2. See, like this you are going to give an address. See here. In A of 0, 0, we have an element 2. Okay, next. A of 0, 1. 0, 1, we have an item -1. In A of 0, 2. 0, 2, we have element 3. In A of 1, 0, we have 0. A of 1, 1, we have 4. A of 1, 2, we have 6. 2, 0, we have 7. 2, 0. 2, 1. 2, 1, we have 5. 2, 2, we have what? 1. Like this, the elements that is present in where? A memory address. And so any address you can take like 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, anything. Okay, this is name of an array, this is memory address, elements, and this is the row major order address. Okay, like this you are going to give. Suppose if it is column major order, we discussed what row major order. Now that is what column major order. Column major order, like how we are going to take a memory address here. See, consider same elements, but row means I have taken what horizontally. Now you have to consider column. This is your column. Okay, so and memory address I have given anything you can take memory address, and now you have to consider what memory location. See, 2 you have to take 0 0. A of 0 0. Next, we have an element what? We have an element 0. This will become what? 0. This is 7. This is minus 1. Just a minute. Okay, this is 7, minus 1, 4, 5, 3, 6, 1. Okay. A of 0 0. In A of 0 0 we have an element 2. Next we have 0, that is A of 1 and 0. A of 1 and 0. Next we have 7. A of 2 and 0. A of 2 and 0 we have an element 7. Next minus 1. A of 0 1. A of 0 and 1. Next we have an element 4. A of 1 and 1. A of 1 and 1. Next we have an element 5, that is A of 2 and 1. Next we have an element 3, A of 0 and 2. A of 0 and 2. And 6 we are having A of 6 we are having 1 and 3. The location is what? Sorry, 1 and 3. Next 1 we are having A of 1 we are having 2 and 2. So this is row size and this is column position. In A of 2 and 2 we have an element 1. We have an element 1. Okay, like this you are going to represent. This is what your column major order. Column major order means we have to consider vertically. Row major order we have to consider what? Horizontal.